Hello everyone! I recently got a replacement for my malfunctioning GoPro Hero 10. I thought I'd tell you about my experience and what I did to get the replacement. The GoPro Hero 10 Black is a clear improvement over the Hero 9. It has real advantages over what came before. With 5.4K at 60 frames per second, improved image stabilization, and impressive cloud storage, this camera is hard to beat. It's definitely the best action camera you can buy right now. But in the last 6 to 7 months, I've found some big problems with it. For example, the camera turned on and off by itself, and there was a file repair error that kept coming. Like everyone else, I went to Google and YouTube to find the solutions. I tried all the solutions I found on the internet, like updating the firmware, resetting the camera to factory settings, changing the batteries, formatting the SD card, and finally, buying a new recommended SD card. But none of them worked. Then later, the camera began to get hot. So, in the end, I decided to get in touch with GoPro about the problems I was having with the camera. You may already know that you can chat with GoPro customer service on their website during business hours. Their customer service is pretty great. I'm not saying this because I just got a new camera, but you will feel like they are really trying to help you fix the problem with the device. So here's the process I followed. During the chat, they told me to do things I had already done, like change the batteries, let the camera rest while shooting in high resolution, and then change the SD card. When I told them I had already done all of those things, they asked me to make a video about the problems I was having, post it on YouTube, and send them the links to the video. I'll leave the links to all of those videos in the description. If you're having similar problems, you should contact GoPro's customer service. The next day, during a discussion in which I provided links to all of the recordings I had uploaded to YouTube, they replied, "We will replace your camera. You will get an email with a prepaid label for returning the camera." This means that GoPro covered the expense of returning the camera. I immediately got an email including a return label. I took a print of the label, placed my camera in a secured box, and sent it to the stated address. As I live in Europe, I shipped my camera to the GoPro headquarters in Amsterdam. Please note that you are required to send just the camera. Remove the battery, SD card, and any other accessories from the camera. Here is my brand new camera. The whole procedure, from first contact to obtaining my new camera, took around 10 days. That's all about how you get a replacement for your GoPro, and I will see you in the next one.